Gagi, wala na. Token na lang yung inabutan ko. Morning! Ngayon lang ulit.
Sa vlog niya.
Hello, welcome back to Philippines.
We proceed a significant moment in
Welcome
today's
home.
ceremony. The official reveal of the Federation's name and logo.
We now proceed to the presentations of going officers who have dedicated their time, effort, and commitment in serving the Federation.
Let us recognize and honor their leadership, contributions, and the legacy.
Bakla. Ano na-miss kita, JC?
Friends, JD A. Donato, President.
C. Martinez, VP for Planning and Development.
Pilot, Mary Rose Vivate, Assistant Treasurer.
Charmaine G. Abad, Auditor.
Yvonne F. Matu, Business Manager.
John Malay, Office Manager.
Shaina Angelique H. Sayon, Public Relations Officer.
Pauline Shane P. Garcia, Assistant Social Coordinator.
Hannah Grace T. Raya, Religious. John Janio Amaluman, Creative Director.
John Martinez, Creative Director.
Thank you.
Do we hereby solemnly swear
Smile na!
that I will discharge to the best of to my country, uphold and protect, challenge
Nag-enjoy
me,
ka, that's-
and change me in ways I never
Kasi ito
imagined.
pala yung pasalubong ko from
When I
China.
accepted the responsibility of becoming chapter president, we celebrated victories during the Advocacy Fair, where our chapter was recognized for its excellent creativity. We witnessed
Hindi kay
the
ano,
department become
kay
the back-to-back
Kay
overall
George
champion during summer. We launched initiatives that went beyond organizing events. We created projects that empowered students, built communities, and strengthened our chapter's identity. We continue to prove that UAPSA USLP is a chapter foundation of excellence. But beyond the awards and accomplishments,
Naman
today
na ako
we
dito.
maintain every rush proposal, every event, every challenge, and every Mama Eddie. You were more than an
Tinatawag namin
advisor.
sa China.
You became our
Mama.
mother throughout this journey. Your
Very
guidance,
motherly siya.
patience, and constant encouragement gave us vision and every act of support. This federation existed because of you. And now, today, I do not hand over a perfect organization. I hand over a chapter that continues to grow. A chapter filled with opportunities, dreams, and people who believe in its purpose. Lead with humility. Congratulations, and may UAPSA USLT continue to reach even greater heights. Thank you very much.
For steadfast leadership and invaluable service to the Federation.
Ash!
We now proceed to
Ash, no!
turn over
Ay, si Daddy Ro. Asa si Daddy Ro?
Daddy Ro!
responsibilities from going officer.
Fresh from China. From Kunming. Luto na.
Goodness gracious! Ikaw yung chocolate! You are the one caught stealing on CCTV! Ikaw na kayo!
Congratulations! Ito ang pagkain para sa kanila.
Thank you, Lord. Nakita ko ng Panginoon agad to. Kaso nasaraduhan na ako ng mall pagkagising ko.
God.
Mamaya mang inasal.
Yes. Actually,
Gago.
Black takeover best. Hello guys!
ano daw?
Hello guys!
presence and invaluable contributions
Best yun ang intro mo
to
mamaya.
today's revenue. We now proceed with the presentation of certificates and tokens
So, best
to
mo
our
kami sa harap.
outgoing officers.
Punta tayo sa harap guys.
To facilitate the presentation, may we invite Mr.
Sorry.
Yes.
May we also invite our beloved program chair, Architect Ma Eleanor C. Lucero, MSAU, to hand over the certificates to our
Say
outgoing
hi!
officers.
Say hi!
The Philippines Student Auxiliary, USL chapter for the school year 2025-2026 with the theme Retrospect, honoring yesterday's legacy, strengthening today's purpose, and building tomorrow's vision. The event is led by architect Maan
Mamaya.
Kayamuli and
Na-awardan ka POV.
Alejandro Malabo.
Renz GDA Donato, President.
Thank you, ma. POV.
Maka-video. Wala akong masabi ka.
Thank you po. Ano, wait lang.
Bakit kayo ko may hawak niya?
POV.
Sheena Marie C. Martinez, VP for Planning and Delivery.
Maganda kaya yun? Check nyo nga guys kung maganda yun.
Dito sa akin.
Ako naman to. Ako naman.
John B.F. Aguilera, Assistant Executive Secretary.
Ay, gago. May pangalan ng... Sino ba dati, Beth? Go, dad.
Sir Alex. Ay, may pangalan ng
Vlogger, gago. Sa vlogger.
Rayan R. Kapirma,
Happy of yabang nasa office work.
pupunta harap sa akin.
Kita ba yung nasa? Alam? Yun.
Erdos B.
Thanks,
Erdos B.
Ay, kung lang kaya na yan.
Magpapaharap mo. Thank you, ma'am. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Cheers lang.
Thank you. Inis year na nila. More than 5?
5 na lang.
5, sige.
Ano, sige pa. Huwag yung bitawan. Bitawan si...
Bakit na Metro? And then, this one. Ay, hindi pala siya yun.
Genevieve
Bongga, may auto. May mukha kami dyan, guys. Ano yun? ID to? No. Photo card? Photo card.
Ano siya? Ay, kung... Hello, ma'am.
Marian Nicole
Love you, ma'am.
Hi! Dami natin. Hi! Good luck, guys. Good is luck.
Guys, pag-iwan ako, officers, mag-ayos na tayo. Thank you. Matatandaan tayo. Sige, magandang.
Nakalagay ni Derry doon. makat.
Incoming officers, please stay.
Bye-bye!
Bago ko natamaan yung ulo ni Mami.
Clean na yan kay ate ano?
Hanap tayo sa Bye, ma'am!
Fourth years daw, picture po kayo.
Magpipicture daw yung mga fourth year. Grabe!
Ay, per year level.
Thank you, ma'am. Safe travels. Thank you, po. Yes, 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 yes.
Thank you! Yan! Sobra naman. Kinagat.
Ano tama?
Para ba? Ako mag-check lang. Uwi na ang mga retired. Ay, hindi. Back to work. Back to work pala daw. Resume to work. Guys, tinitignan nila ako. Akala siguro nila mag-o-take rin ako. Hindi ako naka-Philippine yan. Hindi naman ako mag-o. Pero kapag dating kasi natin baka... Ayun lang. Sobrang... Ito na lang nakik. Ganun. Yan yung ano na... Fresh na ba? Fresh niya, sobra. Saan kayo sasakay? Doon na kayo? Bye! Ingat kayo! Buyers! Uwi na muna ako. Ay, ang puti! Uwi muna ako because I can't join them with this outfit. Hindi ko carry. So, salubong na lang ako after taking nila. Then, we're going to eat. So, sobrang init. Igaraw talaga kayo. Maraming tao ngayon kasi taking. Sana i-deliver na yung mic ko mamaya. Oh, yes. Na GGSS. Let's open this! Ilan? Pero nag-start naman agad. Oo, alam mo, nalis mo. Eh, di ba, may kasalan nila, late sila. Mamaya na kami ng mga mamaya na. Congratulations! Yes. Perfect yan siya, guys. Sino ka dyan? Sino ka dyan?
Yeah.
Given rin kasi ng Sabado eh. My Surprise ata talaga Ate Kristen. Lamang. Taluda?
On. Awan, asan pitanin ko? Ma'am, anak ba ng mama?
Buti kasi sila dun sa ano niya. Tangkat-tangkat ni Bading.
Diyan, walang pasok sa 15. Diyan,
Ire.
awitan to. Diyan, magmotor ka sila. Tangka na yan. Dapat daw 2 a.m. kapag ano.
Ano, Vera? Parang,
Eh?
bakit mountain lang yan?
Kasi maganda daw yung ano.
Sea of clouds niya.
Ay, hindi yung fan eh. Yung sa view.
Kababig yung Marvin. Kami nga eh. Di mi kapabing. Dali.
Charging the
Sa picture.
yung windscreen.
Picture daw.
Ganda. Lalo na talaga pag matimingan mo yung Sea of Clouds niya.
Maaga ka
Oo.
dapat.
Maaga dapat.
Ay, pala pa lubog na.
Yeah. Relaxing.
Peace of mind. Ay, maninisan sana all. LTT kalabutin. Sana all lubagan.
Anong kado adli? Nang kado tuloy ah.
Buti may nakataas na
Oo.
po.
Ladi nala na si Lu. Ay, bakit naya?
Yeah.
Sukat. May melody.
Connected.
Hindi siya automatic.
Okay. Connected. Connected na siya. Yes. Kikita na yung... At dahil naka-block aki. Palitan na siya ng block.
Ay, nag-celebrate sila dito? Sa ate ate? Ay, di. Wala yun naman.
Yes. Perfect. Hi. You say hi.
Ala, can I try? Can I hold that?
Oh, you say hi.
Hi, hi. This is my mommy. Say hi to my kuya. Hi, vlog.
That's vlog?
That's a
Yeah,
vlog.
that's the mic. You just talk. Oh my
Okay.
God, what happened to your fingers?
I touched the grass.
Candy ka na naman.
Apa? La 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 la.
Say hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog.
Ano? Hi vlog. And this is my microphone. See?
What?
See?
Microphone.
Okay, this is my mommy. Say hi.
Hi.
So,
Oh, that remove na.
so I really want this and I'll buy it. And I'll have it forever.
They cannot see your face.
Sorry. So, this is my eye. So, this is Koy Dre. Say hi to the vlog. Ate Zoe, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Okay, this is my brother and my sister. That's me. And this is me. What is this button? Don't press that. That's for the picture. So really, I have this. I don't know what is this. And this is my microphone. And that is how we just caught that last time.
Kota ka natin. Kota ka let's put this so that you can hold it properly. Kota ate.
Oh yay!
You put it like this.
Can I?
Okay. Yan.
So I really want this. And say hi to the. Tell your needle to say hi to the vlog. Ate Jana, say hi to the vlog.
Where is your like this? Where is your like this?
Look, there's another vlog.
Yung.
Awat kita ni, gani ko ah.
Di, oh, may natanggal siya.
Awat kita ni, gani ng kyan.
Dino, yung sa microphone. Give it. Ganyan na lang.
Okay.
Yan mo tamangan din na dami.
What are we eating?
Yummy.
What are we eating? Something yummy.
What did you eat a while ago?
Nothing.
Nothing. I thought you ate Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Right? What did you eat?
Eh, you ubos the money of my Mr.
Loko, kuya.
Why is man come?
You mean in the game?
What did you buy?
Only in the game.
Yes, but what? Oh my God. Oh, you know,
There's nothing inside.
Okay.
It's only $500. I touched the grass. Hi, that's mine.
You behave,
Hello. And this is my daddy. Daddy, say hello to the vlog.
Hello.
Fancy Bella. Ate Bella, say hi to the vlog.
Yun na, yun.
So, this is Lily. And we put this in my shirt.
Usually also, I'm gonna say hi. Hi, Naya's vlog. This is Banana Day.
Then, this is all my families.
Yes.
Oh, no!
Ang bilis talaga ng kamay mo.
Sorry, Mom. But I already went there.
Really?
So, really?
What's your name? Can you tell them what's your name?
Wait. I can show you something vlog.
Dami naman hindi.
Cannot hear.
Kasi it's... Kasi my name is Janaya Olivanich Hernandez.
How old? Huh? Baliktad. My name is Janaya Olivine Hernandez Baguette. Like that. How old are you?
14.
What?
14.
You're not 14.
Is that super old?
Yeah, that's super old for you.
It's actually 26.
You're older than me?
Actually, 100.
Over.
Actually, infinity.
Actually,
Infinity.
infinity.
Yes.
You know what's that actually? Same ko yun ni ate.
That's...
Ni Tita Jazz. Actually,
But wait, let me move it so I can lay down.
over naman ang high angle bakla.
And this is my daddy.
She's driving.
And this is my mommy.
Mommy! I'm not your mommy.
My daddy is so kulit, he cannot even send me at school.
What? Cannot send you at school?
Yes, last time.
May jute yan, likod niya.
Sino Bing Bing?
You say hi na. It's already connected. Cannot see.
Hi. So, I want the microphone.
It's there na. It's there.
Huh? I want the microphone. I want the microphone.
The microphone daw. It's microphone. I'm gonna put nga. Mina. You hold and then I will put it. Do not end Galing pa ng laro yan. Oh, it's okay now. It's connected na.
Mamay na strip pa.
Hindi.
Durog.
Oo, kadi.
Gabi na sa'yo.
Papunta pa lang. Yun siya.
Mommy, you want a new boyfriend?
Ay!
Nothing.
Boyfriend niya daw. Why you have boyfriend?
Hoy, Naya.
I'm talking about mommy.
Nothing naman. Narinig ko na nga lang eh.
I said mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy, you want a new boyfriend?
You want a new boyfriend?
Ate Jana.
You want a new boyfriend daw? Bakla.
Lala po.
Ano? Doon na sila oh. Doon na lang tayo. Mary Rose po. Yes. Natandaan ni ate. Mary po.
Mary Rose.
Apo.
This way na lang po.
Konti ngayon in fairness.
Yun, yung ganda naman, ano?
Totoo, si ano ang... Tapos kung gusto... May app naman dyan. Go. Pag ano. Ay, may na-draft ka na? Ay, bongga. Eh, di very good. Oo nga, syempre hindi katulad nung last. Ayun.
Nakamino kagabayin eh.
Dati na pala. Ayun, pwede naman na tayo magtawag kapag.
O yan na.
Order na pa na white. Apa. Thank you. Ano?
Itong bottomless.
Wait, saan na ba si ma'am?
Gusto ba, di ba, Bin? Yan, gusto, di ba? Dapat may price na liit.
Hindi ko naman igaganon kaya. Pwede naman mag-order, ma'am? Ito daw, ganun ka po. Yeah, wow, grabe yun. Lilipad ang Naka-draft na pala siya. Perfect. Naka-draft na bukas. Isa po. Okay po. Rice.
Isa lang, ma'am.
Yung platter yun atin.
Then, tatlong low size ni picture.
Okay.
May celebration, ma'am?
Ano po, oath taking ng LPT po. Yes. Or kahit congrats, gano'n na lang. Okay na, double check na.
Ano ba yung mode of payment?
Card daw po. Thank you. Mag-picture daw sila. Marami pa upuan dun, ate. So, samahan natin sila mag-picture-picture sa labas. Saan sila? Ay, ayun. Sana may ganito akong soon. Bahay. Bibi. Anya, you take a picture with mom. You play later. Picture with mommy first. Saglit lang eh. No, take a picture. Oy, take a picture lang. With mommy. Wala ka pa picture. Oh. Kayo mamaya. This is the fit. This is the fit check. Ang ganda, no? I'm loving this, one shoulder. Ganda, guys. Wait, mag-fit check tayo. I love the lighting here. Like, here sa luho talaga. Grabe. Grabe na lang, baby. Paano ako mag-fit check dito? It's hot. It's hot, love. Yay. Para kayong bagong kasal tuloy.
Kaya masabi ko parang nakibinyag kami.
Ay, picture na. Phone niya lang.
Parang makibinyag.
Lobat? Yes. Para silang bagong kasal ulit. Para silang bagong kasal ulit, guys. Grabe. Where's the titik pa? Hopefully.
Aldo si Auntie.
Yes. Anya! You eat na, Anya. Yun, kumain. Gutomang girl. Hindi sila nag-free. Hindi na sila nag-free. Congratulations! Okay. Thank you po. Hindi masyadong nakikita, masyadong maliwanag. Go lang. Lang, ito raw pala muna. Exchange gift.
Oh,
Ay.
Pwede po kami magpag-picture para sa Facebook page na.
Yeah.
Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you po. Saan niya? Tignan mo. Bakit? Ano yun? Laki. Thank you. Okay na. Mahabing yung kanila. Nag-auto-connect siya. Like, bongga. Auto-connect siya eh. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Hindi ko na siya i-clip kasi nahuhulog yung one shoulder top ko ba. Bill reveal daw siya. Mag-bill reveal siya mamaya. Ang nasa notes niya kanina, guys, ano? Ang nasa notes niya kanina 11,000. Tignan natin kung magkano ang reveal ng bill niya. So ngayon. Actually ngayong ay lunch tsaka dinner talaga yung peak hours. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Unframe ba kayo? Ayan na, mag-reveal reveal na sila. Mag-reveal reveal na sila. Isa-swipe. Magkano? To you. Ah. May step rin sila eh. Umiiyak si Lolo, ang cute. Hala! Umiiyak si Lolo, guys. Makulimlim. Diba? Wala nang araw yan, te, ha? Tamo. Hello! You? Swing, swing. Thank you, Mami Sam. Yes. Here, oh. Love. Mag-slide ka here. Take a video. Where are you? Silly girl. Guys, sasakay sana ako din sa sa swing. Kaso ang laki, for kids only.